Hello, Teacher Angel here. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my other ESL company. Yes, you heard it right. I have another ESL company aside NovaKid. And this is the Lingo Star. So since summer and walang masyadong students si NovaKid, so naghanap po ako ng another ESL company. And maraming mga company or ESL companies ngayon na hiring because of summer season, especially in China. And we will be talking about the Lingo Star. I opened my slots only in the morning. But sad to say, wala pa akong regular students, but every day meron akong trial classes. And if you want to know about Lingastar, then let me share my screen. Okay, here. So this is the Lingo Star. Okay, we are now in the portal or in the application site of Lingostar. Now, what is Lingostar? So it is founded in Singapore. Lingostar is an innovative online platform that brings high quality one-on-one live classes. The students here are ages 5 to 13 years old. Okay, so what are the requirements? First, English speakers from US, California, UK, or Philippines, including us. Now, you must have bachelor's degree or above. Now, the peak hours here are from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. And for the weekends, of course, it's all day. From the morning till night. Since summer po ngayon, maraming students. And then there's another one. You must have a teacher certification such as TOEFL, TESOL, CELTA, TEYL, and others. Of course, you must have a 1 year online teaching platform experience or teaching experience. And candidates technology requirements. So Linguistar app will be used for your future classes. And this is the very important thing. You should consider your laptop. Unang-una, ginamit ko po yung old laptop ko. So, hindi po nakapasa si old laptop. So, ginamit ko yung new laptop ko, which is the MacBook Air. So, nakapasa na siya. So, just make sure na you have a stable internet connection and the Intel Core is i5 or 8th gen or above CPU Windows computer. So this is very important. Now, why join us? Okay, why join in Lingastar? Because yeah, it's a work from home setup. Your time is flexible. There's a referral bonus. So I will going to share my link in the description below so that you can go through the application process and you can start to work immediately. So just remember na mag-plot kayo ng peak hours nila which is ang 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. kasi marami pong students dyan. So they also have a competitive payment. So 6 payment levels. So the more students you have, the more base pay you get. We have special bonus for trial class. Now, meron din po silang leverage. So from level 1, I am now sa level 1 pa lang po kasi wala pa po akong active regular students. Yun yung tinatawag nilang ARS. So which stands for active regular students. Kapag nagka 3 students ka na, then level 2. So, dyan na papasok yung pagtaas ng sahod mo. Okay? So, mamaya na po tayo sa rates. Dito muna tayo sa application process. Okay? Now, the application process is very simple and very easy. First, you need to fill out all the information about yourself. And then mag-i-email si LingoStar para makapag-device test kayo. So as I have mentioned a while ago, you need to have a stable internet connection and you must have an iCore 5 or 8 Gen. After that, mag-i-email ulit si LingoStar. Then dyan na papasok si demo. You will start your short demo showcasing your skills or your teaching skills. So sa demo process, meron kang pagpipilian sa classroom or sa LingoStore application which is yung classroom nila or yung Zoom, you will have to pretend na may student ka or your class in the other platform. Pero nakakahiya po kasi um, pwede namang wag na lang gamitin yung other platform para isend sa kanila. But instead, just go directly to their classroom. Basic, madali lang pong matutunan yung classroom. Kagaya po ng sa Zoom, kagaya po sa ClassIn. So, all you have to do is to pretend na may student and then just demo. Okay? Just prepare your demo. So that's it. If nakapasa ka sa demo, then you will have the training. So what is this training? It is a test for how to operate our classroom tools. So in this training, naalala ko, meron akong mali, which is a page 8 lang. Hindi ko na-click yung isang star. So, kailangan ko siyang balikan. So, in-email ako ni LingoStar and then kailangan ko daw po siyang balikan and then i-click. Yun lang po. So, kailangan mo lang i-follow yung mga instructions na nandoon. So, let's say, click the button or click the star or click the pen. So, where is the eraser? Something like that. So, just it. So, you need to just to read page by page and then follow the instruction page by page para perfect yung training nyo. And then after that, on board, after, no, not yet onboarding. So, magsasign muna kayo ng contract. So, sa akin, nang nag-sign ako ng contract, there are three things na kailangan kong tapusin. So, there's a task that you need to do. Task ang tawag. So, tinapos ko siya within the day. And then, nag-sign lang ako ng contract. And then, yung contract dito is up to 6 months only. The rate, so for the level 1, you will receive a $1.25 per class. That's per 25 minutes. So if nagkaroon ka ng 3 active regular students, then level 2 ka na. Magiging $1.35 na yung 25 minutes mo. And then, and so on, hanggang umabot ka sa level 10, which is ang $3.10, which is kapag naka 60 students ka na. Pero, hindi siya mahirap abutin. Okay, yung 60 students per month, I guess, maraming students, I guess, si LingoStar. And sa mga nababasa ko, and napapanood ko, ang daming students ni LingoStar kapag peak hours. So, may mga teachers na nagtiteach in the morning, in the afternoon, hanggang gabi, hanggang 11 o'clock. So, maraming students. So, imagine you can teach as much as, I guess, 20 students a day. So, if 20 students a day, then, maa-achieve mo si $3.10 in 25 minutes. So, di ba? Ang laki ng rate ni LingoStar. So, yeah, just follow. Ang peak hours nila is 5 to 9 p.m. pero mas marami ngayon. Especially sa weekends. Kasi summer season ngayon. And their mode of payment is PayPal or bank. So ako, pinili ko si bank. Napaka napakabilis ng process ni LingoStar kapag marunong ka lang pong mag-follow ng instruction. So, yun lang. So, thank you so much for watching and I hope meron kayong natutunan and I will share my referral link sa description below. Okay? So, that's it for today. I will share another ESL company next time. Goodbye. Thank you.